Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello, my name is HAMIMAH binti HASSAN. My matric number is 198124, and today's videos is how to make the easiest organic fertilizer ever. Okay, the objective of this video is I want to observe the plants that lack of nutrients by using the organic fertilizer that I gonna make today. Okay, the item that I will use is 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 liter of water. Okay. I will show you how normally I do my compost by using food waste.
このまま僕たちの声が世界の
What is in this food waste is cucumbers peelings, fish bones, and vegetables left over. Then, the benefit of using fish bone as fertilizer is high in nitrogen and calcium. Nitrogen is important for the production of chlorophyll, meanwhile calcium is important for the plant growth. These nutrients are macronutrients. Meanwhile, boron, copper, and iron are micronutrients that are common in low soil pH that can induce toxicity symptoms. Next, I'm going to show you what is the symptoms of lack of nutrient looks like. You can see from this, these are all green, but in between the green leaves, there are only one leaf that will be yellowish color, or will be chlorosis or flaking. Okay, this is kind of the symptoms of lacking of nutrients. This shows that lacks of nitrogens. Okay.